Okay, let's open the bids for the record breaker. Pardeep Narwal, 1.2 crore. Telugu Titans, Bengaluru Bulls at 125. At 1 crore and 30 lakh on my left with UP Yoda. 141, Jaipur Pink Panthers. 145, UP Yoda. Let's give everybody a chance. 146, Pink Panthers. 151, UP Yoda. 1 crore and 51 lakh. At 1 crore 65, still going strong, UP Yoda. At 1 crore and 65 lakh. For Pardeep Narwal with UP Yoda at 1 crore and 65 lakh. Well done.
Number 55, Vikash Kandola. Spotted the UP Yodas. First, are you ready? Thank you. 30 it is. 31, anybody else? 50 lakhs, say the Bengaluru Bulls. Okay, that's the way to do it. 75 lakhs, ladies and gentlemen. Bengaluru Bulls, thank you for your acceleration. Thank you. 100 lakhs, Tamil Talaivas. Let's put our hands together for the moment. 110, Tamil Talaivas. 111, are you good for it, Bengaluru Bulls? 111. Another round of applause, please. 150 lakhs, Tamil Talaivas. 166, our new record here at the Vivo Pro Kabaddi League. Thanks to the Bengaluru Bulls. 170 by the Bengaluru Bulls. We absolutely do 170. And 3, 2, 1, done. Vikash Kandola, 170 lakhs, 1 crore and 70 to the Bengaluru Bulls.
Mumba opens the bidding at 30 lakh. 70? Thank you so much. Bengaluru Bulls comes in at 70 lakh. 1 crore, say the Bulls, at 1 crore. 146 is up front. 1 crore 46, 1 crore 47 for Mumba. At 1 crore 60 lakh and 50,000 for Mumba. At 1 crore 72 lakh and 50,000 with you currently. Fair warning for the rest of the teams, and I'm selling for Mumba at 172.50. Sold Mumba, Pawan Sehrawat. FBM option for Telugu Titans. Let's see if they'd like to exercise that. Indeed, they would. So Pawan Sehrawat will go to the Telugu Titans at 1 crore 72 lakh and 50,000. Sold to the Telugu Titans. Thank you. And let's open here at a starting price of 30 lakh. Please, do I have anywhere? 30 lakh for the Raider from Haryana. 30 lakh. 50, thank you Titans. At 50 lakh, Telugu Titans opening bid. 50 lakh, they come in at 50. 75, say the Titans. At 75 lakh now with the Titans. 92 for the Warriors, 93 for the Giants, 94 for the Warriors, 95 Gujarat. 1 crore 11 lakh Gujarat Giants bid up front at 152. They are back, UP Yodas, 1 crore 96 lakh. One more, 197 is here. With the Gujarat team, 1 crore 97 lakh. Thank you, sir. Guman Singh goes to the Gujarat Giants at 1 crore 97 lakh. 50 lakh, thank you so much. At 50 lakh, we have with the Patna Pirates. 81 lakh for the Telugu Titans. 90 lakh UP Yodas. 1 crore I have, Telugu Titans. Thank you so much. 1 crore 17, welcome Mumba. 1 crore 50, say Gujarat Giants. At 1 crore and 77 lakh, new team coming in. 1 crore 78 with the Giants again. 1 crore 92 with the Gujarat Giants now. 2 crore I have with the Gujarat Giants. 207, say the Steelers. At 2 crore and 7 lakh, I will sell on my right to the Haryana Steelers if we're all completely sure against every other team in the room. Mohammad Reza Shadlu will go to the Haryana Steelers. Sold. Well done. Number 5, Maninder Singh, the league's second most prolific raider. Opening bid 30 lakh. Patna Pirates come in. 1 crore 120. I like that. 2 crore, says Delhi. At 2 crore. 2 crore 1. Yes, they do exercise it. The FBM card sold to the Bengal Warriors then at 2 crore and 12 lakh. Thank you both. Thank you all. 70 say Telugu Titans. Thank you very much. 87 lakh Gujarat Giants comes in. At 1 crore now with the Gujarat Giants. At 1 crore. With the Giants up front at 1 crore 50. 2 crore it is. Tamil Talaivas raises it to 2. At 2 crores. At 2 crore. With the Tamil Talaivas still ahead of everybody else. All through. Last chance for anybody else coming in. 215. At 2 crore and 15 lakhs for the Tamil Talaivas. At 2 crore and 15 lakh. It's yours at 2 crore 15.
Player number 53, Pawan Kumar Seravat, 30 lakhs. Our opening bid. But the Haryana Steelers wish to begin with 1 crore, 100 lakhs. Let's put our hands together. The Haryana Steelers are happy to take it up to 120 lakhs. You Mumbai come to you first for 121. Thank you. 139, you Mumbai, 139, 139, 140. Haryana Steelers, are you good for 140? The Tamil Talaivas do new entrance. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, 150 lakhs. Put our hands together for this fabulous figure. 200 crores, say the Tamil Talaivas. 220 lakhs Tamil Talaivas. You Mumbai, you back at 221. 226 Tamil Talaivas. Please put your hands together. Tamil Talaivas. Tamil Talaivas, 226. Pawan Seravat, congratulations.
Season 8's top defender and one of our most explosive defenders, Mohammad Reza Shadlu Chiane. 1 crore with the Giants on my right. 214, 2 crore 23 lakh, 2 crore 24, 2 crore and 35 lakh. Back with Pune now, 2 crore and 35 lakh. Yours Puneri Paltan at 2 crore and 35 lakh. Well done. Asian Games gold medalist, high flyer, Pawan Kumar Seravat. 1 crore, Telugu Titans, thank you. Thank you, Bengaluru Bulls at 1 crore 50 lakh. 175 it is, thank you. 209, let's see if that's a lucky number. 2 crore 25 for the Titans at 225. 226, thank you, Haryana. 2 crore and 50 lakh from the Haryana Steelers. 252 goes to the Steelers so far. 260 for Haryana. 260.50 it is. At 260.50 it is. No other bids coming in for you Telugu Titans at 2 crore 60 lakh and 50,000. The Telugu Titans sold.